What's the meaning of Christian Coalition of America? Christian Coalition of America. Christian Coalition of America.
Christian Coalition of America. Christian Coalition of America. The Christian Coalition of America is a conservative, politically active organization that promotes Christian values in government and public life. Founded in 1989 by religious broadcaster Pat Robertson, the organization has been influential in shaping conservative politics in the United States. The Christian Coalition has advocated for anti-abortion laws, school prayer, and other conservative policies. It has also supported candidates for political office who share its views. Despite its influence, the Christian Coalition has faced criticism for its tactics and controversial positions on social issues.